In places of worship, where communities unite in serene sanctuaries, the essence of peace forms the foundation of faith. Stratigos Dynamics cherishes this tranquility, pledging to protect the sacred moments of reflection and unity. Stratigos Dynamics understands the unique challenges of diverse environments, ensuring that all congregations feel secure regardless of their setting. Within the sacred walls, as diverse faces come together in worship, we see the beauty of unity. Stratigos Dynamics respects and upholds this gathering of faith, ensuring that the focus remains on spiritual bonds, unmarred by worries of safety. Yet in the shadows, challenges loom, threatening to disturb the peace. It is here that SDI steps in, vigilant and prepared to shield the sanctity of these gatherings. In the strategic huddles of our experts, there lies a deep understanding of the sanctuaries we protect. Meticulous planning and expertise converge to form an impenetrable barrier around these hallowed spaces. Our rigorous training ensures readiness for any eventuality. When the tranquility is challenged, our trained personnel stand ready. With swift and measured responses, church security personnel embody the guardian angels of these congregations. Their precise and respectful actions ensure safety without ever disturbing the peace. In an unpredictable world, faith should remain unshaken. SDI will always safeguard sanctuaries, ensuring peace of mind.